Hey guys, this is Daniel from DLT Reviews, and this is our unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So right in front of me, we have the new box for the Galaxy Watch 3, which is of course Samsung's second iteration of their Galaxy Watch series. I guess they named it 3 because they also have the Galaxy Watch Active series, which is on its second generation right now, so it doesn't really confuse you. I actually have the box for the original Galaxy Watch right here, and I was a huge fan of this watch. I used it for a very long time, and when Samsung announced this watch, I was very excited because of the new design, and of course this Mystic Bronze color, which matches their new Galaxy Beans and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And yeah, this is just a really cool color that is really my style. So without further ado, let's just open up this box. Up here in front, you can see the bronze color Watch 3. And over on the side, we have some branding. On the back, just some boring old information. So let's get our unboxing knife right here and cut through the seals. There we go, 1 and 2. Bam. Let's lift this off. Ooh. All right, so we have some boring documents on the top. Let's see what's in here. Slide it all out. So we have a quick start guide and terms and conditions. We don't need any of that. Let's see. On the bottom, we have the charging brick. So this actually uses Qi wireless charging, but the coils are actually smaller than any normal wireless charging pad. So you will have to use this wireless charging puck that they include in the box for you. You can see right here. But Samsung does sell like these duo wireless chargers if you would like to charge your watch and your phone at the same time. I think those are pretty cool, but you know, a bit pricey. So let's put this stuff over to the side. And here we have the watch itself. I'm super excited, guys. This is such a nice color. Like, oh my gosh, there's nothing else in the box. Let's just throw this to the side and take a look at the watch. Now this is the 41mm variant. The bronze color only comes in the smaller version, but you know, I do like the smaller versions since I think my wrists are pretty small. And dang, this color looks really cool. Wow. Okay, so one thing they did change from the original Galaxy Watch is the back now looks to be made out of ceramic or something like that. It's not made out of the cheap black matte plastic, which was something I wasn't a fan of previously. And all versions of the Galaxy Watch 3 come in this stainless steel build. So unlike the Apple Watch, there's no cheaper aluminum variant and then very expensive stainless steel versions. All of the Galaxy Watch 3s are stainless steel, so I think that is very nice. And oh my gosh, this color looks so good. So I'm not really that big of a fan of this band color. It kind of looks too pink, but this bronze color is definitely what I am looking for in a smartwatch. Yeah, the rose gold colors sometimes look too pink, but this straight up looks really nice. I think, yeah, it's a bronze copperish look. And so the main difference between this watch and the Galaxy Watch Active series is that this has a physical rotating bezel, which is my favorite feature by far of the Galaxy Watches. Here you could take a listen to this. Yeah, I would just fidget with this all day. This is really fun to do, and I think this is the best way to navigate a smartwatch, period. So let's boot this up for the first time to see what's cooking with the Galaxy Watch 3. I don't know if I'm pressing the right button. Let's press this other button. It might be, oh, there we go, it booted up. So while that's booting up, I'm gonna take my Pixel 4 XL, and I have the app open right now because you need the Galaxy Wear app in order to set up your Galaxy Watch. And of course, this does work on both iOS and Android, but some of the functionality on iOS will be limited. So if you're on an iPhone, I'm pretty sure you'll go with Apple Watch anyways. But let's try setting this up right now. Get started. Galaxy Watch 3. Allow. And let's see how long this takes. So I guess for the Galaxy Wear app, you need to download the Wear app, and then you have to download the plugins for whatever device you're using. So if you're using the Galaxy Beans or the Galaxy Buds Live, you have to download that plugin as well. So there's a couple of things you need to download before installing the watch, which might be a little bit annoying, but yeah, whatever, it's a one-time deal, so it doesn't bug me too much. While this is loading, I'm gonna take another look at the leather straps. So this now actually comes with leather straps, whereas before with the original Galaxy Watch, it came with the silicone bands. Those silicone bands were actually pink, so I had to switch it out for something that looked a little nicer. So I'll put this on my wrist for the first time and see. This leather band, it looks pretty nice, but it doesn't feel like the best of quality. Let's see this, wear this. Yeah, I thought this color would go really nicely with my black sweatshirt, which is why I wore this today. And oh, man, I really like this. So the Galaxy watches have always been a little bit bulkier than a normal watch. As you can see, it's pretty thick right here, but it doesn't really bother me after a full day of use, especially if you're wearing a nicer band. And I just think the looks of this thing, man, it doesn't really even look like a smartwatch, to be honest. If you're looking at it from far away, it just looks like a very nice piece of hardware. So if you want to look at this compared to a normal watch that's quite thin, I have this watch right here, another gold watch, and as you can see, the thickness in comparison is really quite a lot. But keep in mind, this thing can do a lot. Now I've heard that the watch battery is actually decreased compared to the original Galaxy Watch, and that is pretty disappointing considering how good the battery life of the original Galaxy Watch was. But I still do charge my devices at night every single day, so I don't really think that's gonna affect me too much, although it is still disappointing when you decrease the battery of a new generation product. And compared to the Galaxy Watch Active 2, the specs and the internals are basically the same, but this watch just has a more premium casing, and you will pay that premium for the extra nice looks and the rotating bezel. But you know what? I think this rotating bezel is worth it. Let's hear this again. Man, I'm never gonna get tired of that. All right, so it looks like we had to download another extension for the Galaxy Wear app, but finally it has finished pairing. So let's click on agree, allow, and we're in. Now we're in. So as you can see, I'm at 28% battery right now. So basically, inside the app, you can do all of this stuff. You can check your notification settings, your apps, and then you can, of course, rotate your home screen or your app drawer icon order. And then you can configure all the settings here basically. I won't go through that much. But for the watch itself, here you can see you use the bezels to navigate. So you could turn the bezel to the left side for notifications. And then this button right here is the back key. This button here is to go to your apps. So as I was saying, when you scroll right, you can get to your widgets, which are totally customizable. I really love the way the layout is made in the Galaxy Watch. I think it's much more intuitive than the Apple Watch I've been using for the past couple of years. Wow, it's already been a year, huh? Anyways, yes. I think this is about it. If you want to learn more about the Galaxy Watch, I'll be doing a review after I've thoroughly tested this thing in my day-to-day life. Hopefully I'll start exercising again like when I was in school. I haven't really done much of that recently. Anyways, this thing can do a lot. It'll send you notifications, it'll track your fitness, which are, I guess, the two things I'm very interested in a smartwatch. And if you would like to see that video where I review this in depth, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, maybe hit that like button if you did like this video, and also comment down below if you do like this bronze color also, and if you are planning on getting one. That's about it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you later. Peace.